Hello my artist friends! Today we are back with another cool drawing. Today we are going to draw a magical rainbow unicorn. We will start by drawing her eyes and mouth. Then we will draw her horn. It's time to draw her ears. We will make this part of our drawing more beautiful by drawing beautiful flowers. Now we draw her mane, her hands and feet. We will draw her beautiful mane with more details. Well, it's time to make our drawing a little bolder so that it's ready for coloring. A dark but beautiful green color for her eyes. A beautiful pink color can also be a great choice for her skin. It's gonna be great! Pink for her ears. Now we will start coloring her mane with happy and rainbow colors. It's going to be very beautiful and lovely. Well, we will continue coloring with rainbow colors. For this part of her legs, we'll make it more beautiful. And finally, we will color these beautiful flowers with red and orange colors. Blue is also a good choice for coloring this cloud. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you soon!